Okay, this is just a short video just to see how this dishwasher toy works when I select the cycle and the tying and all that. So we'll see how it goes. Now we go.